Welcome to Car 3 Minutes, where today we're diving into Audi's latest evolution in the compact executive car segment. Gone are the days of the A4 nameplate, in line with Audi's new naming convention that separates its combustion and electric ranges. This is making way for the sleek and sophisticated Audi A5 Sportback and Avant, set to hit the streets by the end of 2024. Let's unpack what makes these models the ones to watch, and don't forget to drop your thoughts, hit that like button, and subscribe to stay updated with the newest car reviews, all under 3 minutes. Audi is taking a bold step with its 2024 lineup, introducing the new A5 models as direct rivals to the Mercedes C-Class and BMW 3 Series. But Audi is keeping it simple and stylish, focusing solely on the Sportback and Avant models, saying goodbye to the two-door coupe and convertible variants. The new A5s promise a combination of sleek design and performance, with a nod to high performance in the upcoming S models and an exciting RS5 Avant on the horizon. The A5's exterior showcases Audi's latest design language, featuring a slimmer, low-mounted grille and thin LED headlights for a broader, more aggressive look. Inside, expect a contemporary layout with the latest digital interfaces, offering a user-friendly experience without cluttering the space with physical controls. Under the hood, the A5 will be powered by an updated version of the 2.0-liter four-cylinder petrol engine, boasting improved throttle response and fuel efficiency thanks to new turbochargers and a high-pressure fuel injection system. Hybrid technology will be a key player, with options ranging from 48-volt mild hybrids to plug-in hybrids aiming for an electric-only range of about 97 kilometers, ensuring the A5 keeps up with its main competitors. The S5 models aren't left behind, continuing with a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 diesel engine, paired with mild hybrid technology for a smoother ride and better fuel economy. And keep an eye out for the upcoming RS5 Avant, which promises to bridge the gap between high performance and practicality with its plug-in hybrid V6. As for pricing and availability, the A5 and S5 are expected to make their debut in 2024, with prices predicted to reflect their premium features and advancements over the current models. So, what do you think about Audi's new direction with the A5 Sportback and Avant? Would you consider one for your next car? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and remember to like, share, and subscribe to Car 3 Minutes for more concise car reviews. See you in the next video.